Why?
Oo.
Napagod na ako. Hirap pa hirap pa sa bundok. Ayun, panggaw dito. Dali.
Oo.
Ayun mo na. Ayan ang kanyang the first restoration project. The Great Temple of Athena, Parthenon, 457 to 432 BC, highest achievement of ancient Greek classical art and the most significant and representation and democratic height of its floor. Ayan.
Yan, ipapabasa. Ay, puta.
Ay, sorry. The first
Ipapabasa ko kay Inis kami.